for Jawateba music. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherish Isaac. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're returning, I'm happy you are. So today's tutorial, it's kind of different because I've been watching like the Ghanaian people doing the makeup in three, I cannot pronounce the name. So I decided to do my makeup in pidgin. I'm Nigerian, so it's gonna be Nigerian pidgin because I was told there are different types of pidgin language. I'm not the best, and I'm not going to deny or pretend like I do not know how to speak pidgin. I just don't have a full conversation with the language So yeah, the only person I know that I've seen that does makeup tutorial in pidgin is Just Jerry, and she's a Nigerian YouTuber. So I don't know, let's just give this a try. I've already done my eyebrows. If you want to see a video of how my eyebrows was done, it's on my description box. Also, I have contact lens on. This is from my brand, and this lens color is called Honey. If you're interested, the link is also in the description box, or it will be shown somewhere here. So come shop my brand and support the girls. So let's just start with the tutorial. I'm so nervous, like I'm about to speak pidgin, man. Okay, let's just get into the tutorial. So the first thing I go use is this moisturizer from Clean. Next product I go use this is interesting. Next product I go use is this. I'm trying to be fast. I try to be fast, bro. Let's see how this goes. Oh no. Let's see how this could go. Alright. We're starting this tutorial, you guys. Why am I still speaking English? So I go just blend this color corrector out. Next, I go apply this Estee Lauder foundation, which no. I really dey like this one because it's good for all skin type. It also dey lightweight. I like to use little quantity of foundation. Next, I go use Fenty Beauty Match Stick 3. You just want to press the beauty blender to the concealer to blend it out, darken the side of my so I will darken the side of my face. Yes. For your nose to look smaller, bring the highlighter really close to the end of your nose so it will look small. My face looks so really unblended. I will just continue to the blend for it to make sense. I will use Sacha Buttercup to set the face. On a regular day, I know they like to bake because as I get dry skin. So just to make my face look slimmer, I go use this e.l.f. bronze palette. I go use this shade. This na powder formula palette. Next, I go use the Nubian palette. I go start by using this shade. Because this na really soft look I dey go for, I go just put one other eyeshadow base and end of story. This shade I really like this palette because the colors they pigmented and really smooth when you apply it. So just to add more darkness to my eyes, so to just make my eyes defined, go in with this color. I make the eyeshadow make sense. I will go in with this brush. The brush no get any eyeshadow on top. I know use the brush take eyeshadow. What? I go use and blend. So I will use this floppy brush and this. Next I will use this mascara from Shop Miss A. All my mascara I buy them, I get them from Shop Miss A. Next I go use this eyelash way I dey sell for online. If they are available for Nigeria, I will put the link below where you go buy them from. The eyelash I go use today, the name na Mimi. This na wetin it look like inside. Oh, after fixing these lashes, sorry, it has to be pidgin. So after I don't fix these lashes, and I like the lashes look so good. The lashes na bomb. So I got just use this small mascara way I get from Clinique for my bottom lashes. I go just spray my face with this Clinique setting spray. The thing go just make all your makeup sit, make you not look harsh. Right as of now, you see my face with so many powder, it never set. So for the thing to look natural, as if now so I wake up, I go use this spray. I go in with this highlighter to highlight my face. It good make you highlight your face when you just spray your thingy, spray your setting spray, because it will make your face look better. It no go they just they shine as if they slap on top. The lip combo way I get from mine, so I won't do because my hair already dey purple, so I no want make too much color in my face. I could just go in with this lip liner. I will go in with this color pop lipstick in the number bubble, or in the name bubble, bumble. So this is not the end of the tutorial. Please don't forget to follow me on Snapchat when you dey here, my Instagram, my Twitter. I go just quickly fix my hair. So leave a comment if you do like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. Please follow me on my social media handle that will be somewhere, and also click the bell button to be notified whenever I post a video, because apparently YouTube does not send my notification to my subscribers if you do not click the subscribe button. So please do this for me, and don't forget to share, tell a friend, tell your favorite makeup artist to do this. I believe some people have done it, I'm not just aware. And yeah, love you guys. Bye. See you guys in my next videos. I'll be showing up here. Yes, do not leave my video, click on it because all my videos are very interesting. Love you all, and see you guys in another video. Bye.